Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 5.2. Cos of sin x is the function that you need to differentiate. So look at the sin x as a variable a. So this input will actually look like cos a. Now you know how to differentiate cos a, right? So cos a is going to be minus sin a because we do a chain into d by dx of a. So a couple of sums we will do like this. Then slowly we will remove this concept of a so that it get used to the chain rule. So now back to the question. So minus sine of, inside a here it is sin x. So minus sine of sin x d by dx of sin x. So now we know what is d by dx of sin x. So the answer is minus sine of sin x into cos x. So I can write this cos x before because this seems to be a single function. So minus cos x sine of sin x. In the next video, we will find the solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.